Hi, I'm Alon Cohen, VP of Software and Solutions for OCZ Technology, and today we're going to talk about the 4 key elements to SQL Acceleration. OCZ has recently released its ZDXL SQL Accelerator, and many customers have asked us what exactly are we doing inside the card to make SQL run much faster. When we analyze SQL workloads, we discovered that there are 4 key elements that need to take place so that SQL is efficiently accelerated. One item that SQL uses frequently are transient data that it writes and reads into volumes to make sure that it can access them quickly. Now, we have found that these elements, such as tempdb, really fit well with on-host flash volumes. So the first item you want to make sure that you have in an acceleration card is the ability to host such things as tempdb on a flash volume. But larger volumes, such as your online transactional volumes, many times will not fit into the flash, or you do not need all of the data in them in the flash. For those types of databases, the most efficient way to utilize flash is with flash caching, taking the right data and making sure that only that hot data is resident on the flash card. And you really want to make sure that you have a card that is able to support the two of these together in an efficient manner. The two other items on the list of things that are key to accelerating SQL Server are those items that make sure that the right data is on the flash at the right time. And really, when you examine SQL loads, not all of these loads are identical. There are transactional loads and there are analysis loads which behave really differently in terms of the way they access their data. At OCZ, we used our direct path caching technology to efficiently identify for each case what is the right data to put on the flash. We use optimized policies that make sure that you have a high hit ratio while you're accessing your data. But there is another element that must be taken into account, and that is that things throughout the data center change dynamically. So if you're running, for example, analysis loads at night, you really want to make sure that the right data is available at night. If people are accessing their data at noon, then you want to make sure that the relevant data for noon is also resident on the card. To do that, OCZ ZDXL employs dynamic warm-up with intelligence analysis. This feature allows the card to track what data is used periodically on the system and makes sure that that data will be available there exactly when the system needs it. Take all of these 4 together and you can accelerate your SQL by up to 25 times. Thank you for listening.